Party popper, hey there. Amazing kids. Party popper, are you ready to have some fun with our ABCs and animals? Let's go. Look at the big red A. Say it with me. Louder. A. A for apple. Can you clap for A? Hands clapping, wow. Great job. Now, here comes the sunny yellow B. Say B with me. Louder. B. B for ball. Jump for B. Paw lion, amazing. Whoa, look at the bright blue C. Say C with me. Louder. C. C for cat. Point to the C. Cat face round pushpin, super. Now, let's swim with the gorgeous green W. Say W with me. Louder. W. W for whale. Can you splash your arms like a whale? Wave whale, awesome. Woohoo! What a great time. Now let's say them all together. A, B, C, W. You did it. Thumbs up, party popper, keep practicing. And remember, you're amazing.